They never stop growing. They just keep coming back over and over and over again. Week after week, I clean this thing up, and with the rain and the hot weather, these weeds just keep growing back. So thankfully, I have my Japanese weeding tool here. This thing makes light work of any weeding. So it comes with a nice carrying case. You can slide it in there, take this out. Now this thing's over 12 years old. I've been using it every year. Look how easy this is. So you're gonna take this, just kind of dig it in there just a little bit to get that root loosened up. And then you just pull from the base, boom, comes up. Comes up. Like I said, just getting to the bottom of those that way. They hopefully don't come back as fast, but man, they are weeds and they just keep on growing. It does have a nice serrated edge as well. There's a sharp edge here. It does have a depth gauge too, so if you are doing any seedlings or planting anything, you'll know the depth that you want to plant it at. You can measure it right off of here. It does have a nice wood handle too. I like that. And like a little hole here if you want to put a piece of rope on there, attach it to your arm, be a great thing. All right, guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. Look at all these weeds that I pulled from my garden bed here. Now, this tool made such light work of it. So many weeds. I am great at growing weeds. If you're great at growing weeds like me, then you definitely need this tool here. It is such a big help. I highly recommend it, especially for the summer season here. While all your vegetables are growing, you don't want your weeds to kind of overcrowd them, take any nutrients out of the soil that can be used for your plants. So check this thing out, buy it today. You'll be happy you did. Thanks for watching.